The 16:22 Northern service to Sheffield has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable. May I have your attention, please? Due to an electrical fault between Benton and Stepford Central, trains will be diverting via Morganstown until this fault has been fixed. A replacement bus service will operate between Benton and Stepford Central. Transport for Stepford apologised for this. Passengers will be compensated. At Benton, platforms 3 to 13 are out of use. Platforms 1 and 2 will run between Stepford Airport Central and Stepford Central and Port Benton to Stepford Victoria. Other waterline services may change. The next train to arrive at platform 4A is the 17:22 waterline service to Ellesmere Pond, calling at West Benton, Faraday Road, Eden Quay, Eden Bridge, New Harrow, and Ellesmere Pond. This train has 2 coaches. The next tram to arrive at platform 4 is the 2102 Tramlink service to Benton, calling at Robinson Way, Green Slade, Denton Road, Port Benton, and Benton. This tram has 3 coaches. The next tram to arrive at Rotherham Park Gate is the 2106 Stagecoach Supertram service to Cathedral, calling at Rotherham Central, Tinsley, Meadowhall, South, Carbrook, for IKEA, Valley's Entertainment, Arena for the Olympic Legacy Park, Attercliffe, Woodburn Road, Nunnery Square, Cricket Inn Road, Hyde Park, Fitzalan Square, Ponds Forge, Castle Square, and Cathedral change at Rotherham Central for Northern services to Leeds and Adwick.